Hello viewers, this is Benji Bless and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like and leave your comments below.
Buying airtime to make calls nowadays gives you headache, right?
How about I show you a method that is going to help you to make calls for 6 months for free. If you are interested and you want to find out, stay tuned and watch the full video.
Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you will be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers?
Today I'm going to show you how to activate the MTN free call. This lasts for a period of 6 months, and the first thing you need is to get a SIM card, get a mobile phone. The SIM card has to be a new one. It is ideal to use a new SIM card. If you're in Ghana, it has to be registered. Okay, so let's get started. The code is star now. This is what is going to pop up. We are going to select option 8. Click on 8. Welcome to MTN offer. We have magic number, special Sunday special, just for you, gift bundle. We are going to select magic number. That is what we are going to use. So it's on 1. So 1. Thank you for choosing MTN free call offer. Enjoy 6 months of free call with your chosen number. So I am going to select option 1. You have already added one magic number. You have already added one magic. More than one is not allowed. Okay, so this is a tutorial for you to see. If it's a new SIM card, they will give you an opportunity to add one number. You can make, or you can call the person for a period of 6 months. It is free. But if you want to get a new SIM card for yourself, when you buy it, you can use one number for the magic thing. Okay, so you enjoy 6 months calls. This is amazing. 6 months calls. You can call the person from morning to evening. You talk till the kingdom come. Yeah, so this is so amazing. If you are interested, give it a try and thank me later. Don't forget to leave your comments at the comment section box. I will respond to you as soon as I see it. If you have not subscribed to, kindly subscribe. I have more offers coming up for you. Free internet tricks, data, a whole lot coming up. Those of you using a laptop, I have tutorials on laptop coming up, so stay subscribed, okay, so that when I post the content, you will be able to see, you'll be notified. Okay, so till I catch you next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.